Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Toyota Camry Emblem step by step. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a heat gun or hairdryer, some fishing line or dental floss, and an automotive adhesive remover. Also, have painter's tape, a clean microfiber cloth, rubbing alcohol, and your brand new emblem ready. Having these items prepared will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's remove the old emblem without damaging your car's paint. Use a heat gun on its lowest setting, holding it several inches away, to warm the emblem for about 1 minute. This softens the adhesive. Then, take a piece of fishing line and, using a sawing motion, work it behind the emblem to cut through the glue. For front emblems, you might find tabs behind the hood that you can push to release it. Gently pry the emblem off. With the old emblem removed, it's time to prepare the surface for the new one. Apply an automotive adhesive remover to any leftover glue residue and gently rub it off with a microfiber cloth. For tougher spots, you can carefully use your fingers or a plastic scraper. Next, clean the entire area with rubbing alcohol to remove any wax, oils, or cleaning product residues. A clean, dry surface is essential for proper adhesion. Finally, let's install your new emblem. Use painter's tape and a ruler to accurately mark where the new emblem will go, ensuring it's level and centered. Carefully peel the protective backing from the new emblem's adhesive, avoiding touching the sticky surface. Align the emblem with your tape guides and press it firmly onto the car's surface. Apply steady, even pressure for at least 30 seconds to ensure the adhesive bonds securely. Allow it to cure for several hours before washing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.